Living in an HOA community in Boston? While HOAs can make life easier, there are some common mistakes homeowners often make. Mistakes that can cost you time, money, and even your peace of mind. Let's break them down and talk about how you can avoid them. Mistake number 1, not reading the HOA rules. Before you buy or move into a home, always review the HOA's CC and Rs. That's covenants, conditions, and restrictions. These rules cover everything, from paint colors to pet policies. Ignoring them can lead to fines or even legal trouble. Here's a pro tip. Keep a copy of the rules handy, and don't hesitate to ask questions if something's unclear. Mistake number 2, underestimating HOA fees. In Boston, HOA fees can vary a lot, and they often go up over time. Don't just focus on the current fees. Make sure to ask about the HOA's financial health and any planned assessments. Here's a pro tip. When buying a home, always budget for potential fee increases to avoid surprises down the road. Mistake number 3, ignoring maintenance responsibilities. While HOAs usually cover common areas, homeowners are often responsible for maintaining their own units. Skipping maintenance can lead to expensive repairs later on. Here's a pro tip. Create a maintenance schedule and tackle issues early to save time and money in the long run. Mistake number 4, not getting involved in the HOA. Many homeowners skip HOA meetings or elections, but staying informed and involved can help you avoid surprises and have a voice in important decisions. Here's a pro tip. Attend meetings, join committees, or even run for the board if you're passionate about making your community better. Mistake number 5, failing to communicate with the HOA. If you're unsure about a rule or need an exception, don't just assume the worst. Reach out to your HOA board. Clear communication can help prevent misunderstandings and conflicts. Here's a pro tip. Build a positive relationship with your HOA board and neighbors. It makes everything easier. Got more HOA questions? Drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on navigating Boston real estate. We're here to help. Visit us online at greaterbostonpm.com to learn more.